The National Weather Service in Fairbanks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Middle Tanana Valley in Alaska until 6:30 p.m. Alaskan Daylight Time. At 6:07 p.m. Alaskan Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Birch Hill and moving south over Fort Wainwright. The storm will hit Fort Wainwright by 6:15. The storm will impact the east side of Fairbanks from Cushman Street east by 6:20 p.m. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Brief heavy downpours and frequent lightning. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Fort Wainwright, Fairbanks from Cushman Street east. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.